Welcome to 1200 Hickory Hill Road. This cute 3-bedroom, 2 full bath home, laminate hardwood flooring inside, and a workshop and storage shed outside. It's located in the Sunny Acre subdivision in Eastover, outside of Southeast Columbia. So we're out front. It is the first house sort of on the corner as you turn into the subdivision. You can see the front here. You have a covered front porch there, and then driveway on the side. Then there also is a storage shed and workshop out there as well. But we'll go up the covered front entry here into the front door. And you notice as we come in, we do have laminate hardwood flooring throughout the home. You have a nice sized living room here with vaulted ceilings. There's a ceiling fan as well, and there's also a sliding glass door on this side that does let you out to the outdoor space. It takes you around back to where the to the side where the parking is, and also where the shed is. And you can see the shed in the photos as well. The kitchen is right off of the living room. You have a sort of nice open kitchen design. Included appliances are a refrigerator, electric stove, and dishwasher. And then you have a nice eat-in dining area here as well. And then there's sort of a bar counter that's been added on. And then you have, off of the living room, you have access to the master bedroom down this sort of short hall. On the way to it, you do have your laundry closet. It's a full-size laundry closet, full-size washer and dryer connections, and some shelving above. There's also a utility closet here as well, right next door. That just has some more storage space, also where the water heater is, but there's some shelving or a shelf built in. And then your master bedroom down the end of this hall. It faces the front of the house. You have a ceiling fan in here. You also have a large walk-in closet, shelving on 3 walls, and a full bathroom, single vanity, and a shower and tub. And then for the rest of the bedrooms, you hang a left here. Once you come off that short hall, you can see bedroom, and then there's a bathroom here. So on the right, you have 1 bedroom. This faces out to the right side of the house, and you can see the closet is a pretty nice size. It does go back behind the wall there on both sides. And then you have another bedroom here, your third. Also a nice sized room and similar closet. And then last but not least, the full bathroom that those 2 bedrooms share off the hall. Again, the flooring continues throughout. You have a shower and tub back there, and then a single sink with a slightly larger countertop surface area. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address here is 1200 Hickory Hill Road out of Eastover. You can find out more information about this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com.